wind warning information for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, Odo, Saline, Saunders, and Seward. High wind warning remains in effect from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday. What? Southwest winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 70 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of east central, northeast and southeast Nebraska, and southwest and west central Iowa. When? From 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday. The strongest winds begin to overspread the area from the southwest by 12 p.m. and beyond. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages could occur. Damage to structures will be possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Unsecured outdoor objects may be blown away. Areas of blowing dust could also occur in open areas or near construction zones. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Red flag warning information. Red flag warning in effect from noon to 9 p.m. Wednesday for wind and low relative humidity for southeast Nebraska and southwest Iowa. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a red flag warning for wind and low relative humidity, which is in effect from noon to 9 p.m. Wednesday. The fire weather watch is no longer in effect. Affected area in Iowa: Potawatomi, Mills, Montgomery, Fremont, and Page. In Nebraska: Butler, Saunders, Douglas, Sarpy, Seward, Lancaster, Cass, Odo, Saline, Jefferson, Gage, Johnson, Nemaha, Pawnee, and Richardson. Winds: southwest 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 70 miles per hour. Relative humidity as low as 15%. The following impacts are expected. Any fires that ignite will spread rapidly and exhibit extreme behavior. Outdoor burning is not recommended. If fires develop, be prepared for a wind shift from the south to the southwest to the west. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures can contribute to extreme fire behavior. Fire watch information. Fire weather watch remains in effect from Wednesday afternoon through Wednesday evening for wind and low relative humidity. Affected area in Iowa: Potawatomi, Mills, Montgomery, Fremont, and Page. In Nebraska: Butler, Saunders, Douglas, Sarpy, Seward, Lancaster, Cass, Odo, Saline, Jefferson, Gage, Johnson, Nemaha, Pawnee, and Richardson. Winds: south to southwest 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 70 miles per hour. Relative humidity as low as 15%. The following impacts are expected. Any fires that ignite will spread rapidly and exhibit extreme behavior. Outdoor burning is not recommended. If fires develop, be prepared for a wind shift from the south to the southwest to the west. A fire weather watch means that critical fire weather conditions are forecast to occur. Listen for later forecasts and possible red flag warnings. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.
Oh, heck no.